Welcome to the Math Zen. Today, we're going to solve the equation log base 10 of x equals 3 minus log base 10 of 2. So, let's break it down step by step. First, we need to simplify log base 10 of 2. Using a calculator or logarithm table, we find that log base 10 of 2 is approximately 0.301. This simplification helps us move forward with our equation. Now, let's rewrite our equation by substituting this value. We get log base 10 of x equals 3 minus 0.301. Next, we can combine the constants on the right side of the equation. 3 minus 0.301 gives us 2.699. So our equation now looks like this. Log base 10 of x equals 2.699. To solve for x, we need to get rid of the logarithm. We do this by exponentiating both sides with 10. Remember, raising 10 to the power of log base 10 of x gives you x. This works because the logarithm function and exponentiation are inverse operations. So, 10 to the power of log base 10 of x is simply x. On the right side, we have 10 to the power of 2.699. Our equation is now x equals 10 raised to the power of 2.699. Now, let's calculate the value of x. We can break this down further, as 10 raised to the power of 2.699 is the same as 10 squared times 10 raised to the power of 0.699. After solving this, we found the value of x, which is approximately 500.86. So, finally, we found our solution. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.